tabungan siapa yang mati. You get the car of your dream. You have to sit and stare at it for 6 months before you can drive it. Yeah, I mean, I will stare at it. Car, because IRL, yeah. I cannot drive. Yeah. And I bet people wouldn't want me to drive. I bet. So for 6 months, I can just stare at the car. Don't worry. You'll get any job you wanted, but you never quit, get fired, or transferred, or so if there is anything you don't like about it, oh well. You also don't get sick days or vacation. That's just VTubing, bro. What you talking about? Too real. Oh, sorry. I mean, I think my real thoughts slipped out for a moment.